Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am showing you a nighttime oily routine on the night before I do my relaxed hair wash day. If you are looking to add some moisture and nutrients to your hair, as well as give your hair a good boost of TLC, then this is the video for you. While I'm going through my routine, I am also going to share some of the helpful benefits of oiling your hair and scalp, and also tell you other ways that I have incorporated this into my daily relaxed hair care. Today I'm using the Mielle Organics Rosemary and Mint oil, and I like this oil because it provides a tingly feeling on my scalp and soothes my scalp when it is itchy and dry. What I like to do is part my hair in small sections and apply the oil to my scalp first. And I like to start off with the top section of my head. And after I finish this top section, you will see me move to the back section of my head and do the same thing with the small parts. One of the things that I'm focusing on this fall and winter with my hair is thickening up my hair in certain areas. One side of my hair is thicker than the other, so I want to try to balance that out as well as I possibly can, as well as I want to encourage more hair growth so that I can see more length. And oiling your scalp is a great way to achieve those goals if you have similar goals as me, because oiling your scalp provides nutrients and moisture to your scalp, which can promote healthy hair growth. And also, when I am massaging the oil into my scalp, as you see me doing here, it also can increase blood circulation and promote more hair growth as well. Along with this routine where I oil my hair and scalp on the night before wash day, I also have been adding oil to the ends of my hair before I wrap it and around my edges. I am doing this because, like I mentioned, I want to retain more length and experience less breakage this year. In the spring and summer, I did entirely too much with my hair. I tried a lot of new styles, and I also neglected my hair a little bit, and I did not meet my length retention goals, but that is okay because I did retain some length. I also gained some length, as well as my hair just looks and feels a lot healthier than it did last year. I'm also getting better with styling my hair and taking care of my hair overall. So if you are in the same boat as me and you want to retain more length this year, I would encourage you to maybe oil your ends or oil your hair at night, or consider thinking about doing a moisturizing and seal routine. Some of the benefits that I gain from oiling my hair at night and applying the oil to my hair strands is that my hair feels a lot softer. And I have also been experiencing much less breakage. I went to go get a trim yesterday and she barely had to trim off anything. And I think it's because I'm taking a lot better care of my ends. This will also help with your hair elasticity if you style your hair during the week or if you wrap your hair at night. If you add that oil, it acts as a coating and a barrier and makes your hair less prone to breakage because it's not so dry and brittle. It also helps to make your hair shinier if you are trying to figure out how to add more shine and luster back into your hair. And even now, after me adding all of those oils, my hair still doesn't look bad or weighed down. I mean, you can say it's oily. It's not like super silky, flowy, blowing in the wind as it would with a fresh silk press, but it still looks good. I would still be willing to wear my hair out like this. And I'm leaning more towards the overall health of my hair versus just trying to go with aesthetics all the time, because I have a length goal to meet and I realized I may not meet that if I'm not taking care of my hair during the week and giving my hair what it needs on a daily basis. Let me know what your hair goals are for this fall and winter season. Also, let me know if I can help you with any of those goals by answering a question or making a dedicated video to anything that you have questions on. Also, let me know if you have changed your routine or are doing things a little bit differently now that things are about to slow down for us in the fall and winter. I know I definitely am. I've changed a little bit of my routine and also introduced some new products. So once I'm finished oiling my hair and scalp, I just secure it loosely in a bun with a scrunchie, and I'm going to tie it with this scarf. And that is pretty much it. I am all ready to go for my wash day. I hope you ladies enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.